All right, Mohana, you want to begin? Skill 40.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Okay, let's continue here. And Mohana, can you start? What is skill 40? What is
Skill
it?
40. Distinguish countable and uncountable nouns.
What is the word distinguish? You know that? You know the meaning of distinguish?
Yeah, يميز.
There you go. Okay. Now, what is a countable noun?
Countable noun, we can add S or more than
Yes,
one. More than
you
one.
can add an S. But does it include singular? Is it just singular nouns? Only singular nouns?
No, not only singular. Singular and plural.
Ah, okay. Can you read that?
Yeah, include both singular and plural.
Exactly. Include both singular and plural nouns. All right, Abdul Majid, read this.
As the name implies, countable nouns are nouns that can be counted.
Now, do you know this word, Abdul Majid? If you don't, you should add it to your vocabulary list.
Demonstrates, shows,
Imply. It comes from imply.
I think you
Do you know the word imply?
yes,
Yeah. What does it mean? Do you know what's the Arabic word? Tell me the Arabic word.
as the name
لما.
Lamma. Right? Okay. When you suggest, you indicate, right? This is not a direct suggestion. It's right, indirect. Yeah. When you suggest, okay. Continue. Abdul Majid, countable nouns.
countable nouns can sum in quantities of 1 or 2 or 100, etc.
Etc. All right, now let's do Mohana, do uncountable.
Uncountable noun, on the other hand, that can't.
What does that mean? What does that mean? I think you should learn this for the writing, yeah?
Yeah.
The writing.
The opposite way. Yeah.
That's right, the opposite. Yeah. On the other hand,
can't be counted.
okay, and then?
Yeah. A noun such as milk and happiness cannot be counted.
Yeah.
Can't have one milk or two milks.
Exactly. You cannot have one milk or two milks. All right. And then Abdul Majid, continue.
Uncountable nouns are often liquid items, such as water, oil, or shampoo.
And?
Uncountable nouns can also refer to abstract ideas such as security, friendship, or hope.
Do you know this word, abstract? Abstract.
Exist.
Abstract is something you can't see or touch it. You can't see or touch it. It's something that you can't see or touch, and it's usually something that's a complex idea. Yeah. We sometimes use it to describe calculus. Calculus is abstract math. Yeah. Basic math, 2 + 2, it's not abstract. It's very basic, very simple. You can show your brother 2 apples here and 2 apples here, right? And you can show very easily, but abstract, it's something you can't show anybody, right? Okay, so let's look at the 2 examples here. All right, Mohana?
Yeah. He has seen much foreign films.
You see the problem?
Yeah, much can't be with the countable noun.
Yeah, this is a countable noun, it's plural. So what should I use?
Many.
Bingo. Domajit, second example.
He didn't have money fund at the movies.
What's the problem here?
Many, much, should be much.
Why? Why should
Because
I change?
One is uncountable.
Exactly. Fun is an uncountable noun. So when you have uncountable noun, you can't use the same word. Okay? Much is uncountable. Many is countable. All right, look at the box here. Can you read this, Mohana?
Yeah. Keywords for plural and uncountable nouns.
Now, you know the meaning of keyword. What is the meaning of keyword?
Yeah, that
In Arabic,
give you the
It
answer.
will unlock, a keyword will unlock the answer. You understand? Yeah, a keyword will unlock the answer. So we've got keywords for plural, keywords for uncountable. Now, if you notice, I put here, you see I put here dot dot. Why did I put this dot dot?
It's countable or plural.
It is countable, but notice in your book it says countable, right?
Yeah.
If you have the red TOEFL, it says countable.
Yeah.
But I changed it. I changed it to say plural. Why did I change it to say plural?
Because you can't use it with singular.
Exactly. You see these words down here in the gray box? Can I use these with singular? Of course not. Of course not. That's why I changed it to say plural, right? But of course, you guys, plural implies, what does the word plural implies? What does it imply? The word plural.
Countable.
Yes. You see, plural implies countable. You understand? The word plural, lamma, it implies countable. Understand? Yeah? Okay. So, and then notice over here, I put this, looks like a minus, right? Minus because uncount. So I put a minus symbol. It's not countable. Okay. All right. Abdul Majid, do the plural nouns.
for plural nouns, many,
Oh, you know
Many.
what? Wait, stop. Let's start. You do both and
Okay.
say this also. What's this?
or uncountable noun.
Okay. Uncountable nouns. Okay. So now what is an X? If I use an X, what should I add if I put an X?
Plural noun,
I need a noun, right? What if I have a Y? If you see a Y, what should it be?
uncountable noun.
Be an uncountable noun. So let's use choose an X, choose any X, and let's do all of these. Okay.
Okay.
Many. Use something simple.
Car, book,
So
many books,
good. Then
a number of books,
and then
few books,
and then
fewer books,
fewer books. Okay. Now I put here, I covered up something. Let me uncover it. Try again. Do it again with book.
many of the books,
Many of the books. This
No.
one, notice, you see, is it optional here? Over here, why did I cover this? Why is this covered? Why did I cover this before?
it
Why
can
is
be
it
used,
covered?
can be used either with off. No.
Yeah, because it's optional. Understand? It's optional. That's why it's covered. What about here? You think it's optional here?
No.
You think this is not optional? Okay. We always, always, always say a number of something, always, okay? All right, try the next one, few. Abdul-Majid, few.
Few books.
Or,
Few of the books.
yeah, again, this part is optional, right? Huh? Now wait, there's another one here. There's another one here, Abdul-Majid. I want you to look at this.
A few books.
A few books. You can also say a few
The books.
of the books. Do you understand? A few books or few of the books. Now, in headway, you have to know the difference. Few versus a few. It's not the same meaning,
Yeah.
right? There's a difference, and you have to know this for the final exam.
Yeah.
What does it mean when you say, few?
It's not enough.
Exactly, not enough, right? But when you say a few, oh, I have a few days. I have a few days before something. It's enough. It's enough. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, Abdul-Majid, there's one more here. Say this one.
Very few.
Very few. Very few. Which one is which one has more? Which one has more? Few or very few? If I say few or very few, which is more? If I say very few, is that more?
Less.
That's less. Okay. And then over here on the last one, to the last one. Fewer.
Fewer.
Same
Books.
noun, books. And here?
Fewer of the books.
Yeah. And why is this in parentheses? Why? Because it's optional. It's optional. Mohana, let's do uncountable nouns.
Yeah, uncountable noun. Much.
Choose something easy. Much.
Much work.
Good. Work. That's a great choice. Or homework. Work is uncountable, and homework also. And?
Yeah. An amount of work.
Is this optional to say of?
No.
No, not optional. And then little?
Little work.
Little work. And then?
Less work.
Good. Now, one more time, let's use.
Okay. Much of the work.
And then over here, let's do little.
Little bit of work.
Little bit of work. Little of the work. Little bit of work. Now.
A little work.
A little work. Yeah. And then the last one.
Very little work.
Very little work. You understand? Yeah? All right, gentlemen. So now what is the difference? If you look at the chart, guys, Abdul-Majid, what's the difference? Look up and down. You see up and down?
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference between the meaning? Is the meaning the same or different?
I think so.
I gave you two choices. Is the meaning the same or is the meaning different?
The same?
Same meaning or different meaning?
The same.
It's the same. The meaning is the same, right? So tell me the difference, Ben. The difference?
Many is used for countable and much is used for uncountable.
Yes, but the meaning is the same. It's exactly the same. What about here?
The same thing.
A number, an amount, the meaning?
Same.
It's the same. And few, little?
Same thing.
Same thing. What about less and fewer? Same meaning, right?
Yes.
But what's the difference between little and less? Do you know the difference? Mohana, what's the difference between little and less? How about few and fewer?
If you want to say more little, you cannot use it. At that time, you should use this.
Right. So if you compare,
Yeah.
Convert.
when you compare, then we say less. What about fewer? Same thing, right? Few and fewer. Fewer is when we compare. Okay, so let's do this exercise, gentlemen. Exercise 40. Circle the keywords, then you draw arrows. Draw arrows to the nouns they describe. Indicate or show if it's correct or incorrect. Okay, can you explain this, Mohana?
Yeah.
Don't read it, just explain it.
Okay. Little notice. Okay. Notice.
But what is little?
Uh,
Keyword.
keyword for uncountable noun.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This
notice.
word.
It's uncountable noun.
Bingo.
It's correct.
So it is correct. Abdul Majid. What about number 2? What's the problem in number 2?
I think the first one. Few.
Should be. What should it be?
Little.
Okay, you just lost marks on TOEFL. Opportunities is countable, okay? Opportunities is countable. So this is the correct keyword. This is the correct keyword, all right? So where is the problem?
Amount. Large number of crimes.
Exactly. Crimes is a countable noun, okay? It's a countable noun. Do you understand? Yeah? Okay. All right, gentlemen, are you ready to start? Here we go. Let me open up the poll and you can begin. Choose your answers. What should I choose for number 1, everybody? What should I choose for number 1?
Correct.
Yeah, for number 1, everybody choose correct. And then 2, choose incorrect. Understand? Here we go. Begin. Start the poll now. Choose correct for number 1, incorrect for number 2. And Matham, if you join, you have to keep the camera on in class. Okay? 1 minute, guys. You have 1 minute left. Okay, guys, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Submit your answers. Everybody? Somebody didn't submit. There we go. All 3 submitted. Okay. All right. So, of course, number 1 is correct. 2 is incorrect. Number 3. Oh, everyone agrees? Everybody agrees on number 3? Let's see. Good. Correct. Number 4. Everybody said it's correct. 4. Good. Number 5. Everyone agrees. Incorrect. Good. 5 is incorrect. 6. Uh-oh. Someone doesn't agree. All right, who said incorrect? Who said incorrect? Don't be shy. Anybody? Was that you, Mohana? Did you say incorrect?
No.
No? Abdul Majid, you? No? The Metham. I'm guessing it's Metham. All right. Metham?
Yeah, yes.
Why do you think it's incorrect?
Because trouble is countable and less for uncountable.
Trouble is what?
Countable.
Sorry, trouble is uncountable.
Okay.
It is uncountable. Yeah. All right. How about number 7? Was that you, Mohana? Did you choose correct in 7?
No.
Abdul Majid? No? Method? Why did you say it's correct?
Well, I was in a hurry because
Okay. No
time.
time. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yes, this is incorrect. Okay. Number 8. Let's look at number 8. Again, Metham, did you guess in a hurry? Is that the reason? Yeah.
Yeah.
The less time you take, the less pages. Yeah, this is incorrect because pages is countable. Number 9. Oh, everybody agrees on 9. Okay. And then number 10. It is better to go shopping late in the evening because there are less people in the market. Now, this, you can hear people say this in spoken language. You can hear in spoken English, you can hear this. But in TOEFL, you lose marks. You lose marks. Okay? We never use this in academic English. In academic English, it's wrong. So in TOEFL, you lose marks if you use this as your answer. If you pick this as a correct answer, you lose marks. Okay, so let's fix these quickly. Let's start here, Abdul Majid. Where do I put the circle? Keyword, first keyword. All right, and where is the noun for this?
Problems.
Good, problems. Okay, then let's do number 4, Mohana, keyword.
Many.
Many. Okay, and then the noun.
Employees.
Employees. Okay, good. Matham, how about number 5? Keyword.
Much.
Okay, and the noun.
Coins.
Coins. Good. And then Abdul Majid. Next. Keyword number 6. Keyword. Find the keyword in number 6.
Less, less
Less. And the noun.
trouble.
Yeah. This is an uncount noun. All right, Matham. Next. Keyword.
Much.
Yeah. And the noun.
New items.
Items. Items. Okay. And then Abdul Majid, next keyword.
Less.
Wait. In number 7, there's another one. Less, I
Amount.
think.
Amount.
Amount of. By the way, it should be of, okay? Amount of, okay? All right. Next one, number 8, Matham. We have 2 keywords.
Less and less.
All right, less. And the second one is less, right? And the noun?
Time and pages.
Time and then pages. Yeah, good. Are they both incorrect? Are these both incorrect?
No, just the second one, I think.
Good. Abdul Majid, keywords. And number 9, keywords.
Few.
Few. Okay. Yeah.
Little.
Soldiers, right? Few soldiers. And then where?
A little. A little.
Little.
Rest.
Yeah. And rest. Good. Now, when you add in both of these examples, when you add the word what does that mean? When you add the word it means enough rest, enough soldiers, right? Okay. And then Matham, number 10.
Less.
Less. And then less people. All right. And then next keyword.
Number.
Yep. Number of. Include this preposition, okay? Number of. And then the noun.
Tasks.
Tasks. Okay. So now let's quickly fix the problems. Up here, number 2. What should I change in number 2? The Majid.
Just switch amount.
Change it to
Number.
Yep, exactly. I'm going to change it to number. Okay. And then what about number 5, Matham? What should I do for number 5?
Change much. Too many.
Change much. Exactly. And too many. Why should I use many?
Because it's countable. Coins.
Coins are countable, right? How about number 7, Abdul Majid?
Replace much with many.
Why?
Because items is countable.
Exactly. Okay. What about the second one? Is the second one okay? Amount of time? Yeah. Okay. How about number 8, Matham?
Yes, we changed the second one to fewer pages.
To what?
Fewer pages.
Fewer, right? Fewer.
Yes.
Okay. And then the last one, Abdul Majid?
Less to fewer.
Exactly. Okay. Just remember that often we will often say this in spoken language, okay? We often use this in spoken language. We say less people, and you can sometimes even English teachers, sometimes you can hear an English teacher say that. right? Yeah, but in TOEFL, you lose marks because fewer is for fewer. If you look back up at the chart, fewer is with plural nouns, countable nouns, less is for uncount, okay? And what about people? Are people uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
No, people are countable, definitely. It's an irregular plural, irregular, like, you know, like child and the
Children.
plural, children, right? That's called an irregular plural, okay? So, by the way, you should study the next skill. And I made a recording of this already. There's a recording, and I will upload today. I will upload skill 41 to YouTube. All right. All right, guys.
Thank you.
That's all for today. All right. Goodbye,
Thank you.
gentlemen. You're welcome.